आज हम देखेंगे थर्ड नंबर का चैप्टर जो कि सोशल साइंस में से है, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और उसका वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू है। एमसीक्यू से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। फर्स्ट, विथ व्हाट डज द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्टार्ट? तो आंसर आएगा सी, प्रिम्बल। इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्टार्ट विथ प्रिम्बल। ओके। सेकंड नंबर, व्हेन डिड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी स्टार्ट इट्स वर्क? तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी स्टार्ट इट्स वर्क्स विथ फ्रॉम 9th December 1946, मीन्स आंसर ए। थर्ड वन, हु वॉज इलेक्टेड द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद वॉज इलेक्टेड द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी। फोर्थ नंबर, अंडर हुज चेयरमैनशिप वॉज द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी फॉर्म? तो डॉक्टर B.R. आम्बेडकर। फिफ्थ नंबर, हु फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग वॉज द फीमेल मेंबर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी? तो सरोजिनी नायडू। सिक्स नंबर, व्हेन डिड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी पासिस द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? तो 26 November 1949। सेवन नंबर, व्हेन वॉज अवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एनफोर्स? 26 January 1950। एट नंबर, विच डे वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड एज रिपब्लिक डे? तो 26 January। नाइन नंबर, आफ्टर एवरी हाउ मेनी ईयर्स आर जनरल इलेक्शन हेल्ड इन आवर कंट्री? तो एवरी 5 years। टेन नंबर, at what age does the Indian citizen gain universal adult franchises? तो 18 year। 11 नंबर, by what name is the upper house of parliament known? तो upper house of parliament known as a राज्य सभा। 12 नंबर, by what name is the lower house of parliament known? तो lower house of parliament known as लोक सभा। Question number 2, fill in the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statement. First, our constitution start with the preamble. Second, the constitution committee started framing the constitution from 9th December 1946. Third number, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the constitution committee. Fourth, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Fifth, the Indian constitution was passed on 26 November 1949. Sixth, the Constitution of India was enforced from 26 January 1950. 7. Many objectives have been achieved through the Constitution. 8. India has adopted democratic republic system of democracy. 9. Elections are held in our country every 5 years. 10. Indian citizen of age 18 years or above cast their vote in general election of our country. 11. India is a peaceful and republic nation. Question number 3, right or wrong? First, the constitution of our country start with the fundamental rights. तो wrong statement. Okay. Second, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was elected president of the constitution committee. तो wrong. Third, the work of the formation of the constitution was completed in 166 meeting. Right. 4. One cannot imagine the administration of a country without the constitution. तो right. Fifth, India has adopted the democratic system of government. Right. 6. The judiciary works to implement the law made by the legislature. तो wrong. 7. The whole country follow the rules made by the central government. तो right. Question number 4. Identify me. First, I am a federal state. तो India. Second, I am the constitutional head of the state. President. Third, the administration of any country can't run without me. Constitution. Fourth, I am the Republic Day. 26 January. Fifth, I was elected as the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Sixth, I was elected as the president of the Constitution committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 7. I am known as the soul of the Indian Constitution. Preamble. Question number 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences each. First, of which national objectives is the Constitution of India a pioneer? So the Constitution of India is a pioneer of national objectives like public administration, socialism, secularism and integrity. Second number, when did the Constitution Committee start its work? 9 December 1946. Third number, which national leaders were included in the Constitution Committee? Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, etc. Fourth number, which constitutional scholars were included in the Constitution Committee? Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi were also included in the Constitution Committee. Fifth number, who were the chief female members on the Constitution Committee? Sarojini Naidu and Vijayalakshmi Pandit were the chief female members in the Constitution Committee. Sixth number, who was elected as the president of the Constitution Committee? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected president of the Constitution Committee. 7. Under whose chairmanship was the drafting committee formed? So the drafting committee was formed under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 8 number, when did the Constitution Committee pass the Constitution? So the Constitution Committee passed the Constitution on 26 November 1949. 9. What is India's point of view as far as religious is concerned? India is a secular country as far as religion is concerned. 10 number, at what age can an Indian citizen exercise universal franchises? To the Indian citizen gain universal franchise as soon as she is 18 years old. 11 number, which are the organ of the central government? The legislature, the executive, the judiciary. 12 number, what are the function of the organ of the central government? To the legislature makes the laws, the executive implements these laws, and the judiciary provide justice. 13 number, what guarantee do the fundamental right give to citizens? Fundamental rights guarantee that every citizen can lead a peaceful life as long as she inhabited the country. 14 number, when was the Constitution enforced? 26 January 1950. 15 number, which are the silent feature of our Constitution? Democratic rule, secularism, republic state, supreme power to the people, and socialist formation of society. Question number 6. Answer the following question. First, what do you mean by Constitution? Explain. So the systematic compilation of a set of rules to run the government of a country is known as the Constitution of the country. The Constitution of a country is the statement of its national goals and aims like democracy, socialism, secularism, national unity, etc. A constitution can be in written or unwritten form. It is framed by national and scholarly leader of a country. Question number 2. India is a secular nation. Explain. So the government of India does not conform to the norms of any particular religion or sect. Citizens are not discriminated on the basis of their faith, sect, or religion. Every citizen of the country is free to follow the religion of his/her choice. The Indian government is neutral in religious matters. Question number 3. Why is India known as a republic? So in India, the government obtains power from people directly or indirectly. India has adopted a democratic republic system of government. So India is known as democratic republic. The rule of our country is not in the hands of a privileged few. All posts of state administration are open to all citizens without any discrimination of religion, caste, or gender. The Indian people can dismiss any government by election and they have supreme power to form new government. Thus, India is known as a democratic republic. ओके इसी के साथ ये हमारा चैप्टर 3 इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ। अब इसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 हाउ वाज ट्रेडर्स बिकम रूलर्स का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल स्टडी विथ MP। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।